Choosing the right brad nailer can make every trim and woodworking project faster, cleaner, and more accurate. In this video, we're counting down the best brad nailers you can buy, comparing their performance, features, and value to help you make the right choice. Stick around to find the perfect option for your workshop, and be sure to check the links in the description box below for more details and the latest deals. Number 1 is the DEWALT DCN680B 20 volts Max XR cordless brad nailer, a fully battery-powered solution that eliminates the need for gas, compressors, or hoses. Its brushless motor delivers extended runtime and long-lasting durability, while the micro-nose design improves visibility and accuracy for precise nail placement. Driving 18-gauge brads from 5/8 inches to 2 1/8 inches, it's ideal for molding, casing, and trim work. Tool-free depth adjustment, jam release, and stall recovery make maintenance quick and simple. And the selectable trigger switches between sequential and contact firing modes. Multifunctional LED lights aid visibility and diagnostics, while low nail lockout prevents dry fire damage. At 6.2 pounds, it combines pneumatic-level power with total cordless freedom. Number 2 is the Metabo HPT NT50AE2 brad nailer, which packs serious performance into a compact package. At just 2.2 pounds, it's comfortable to handle even on long projects, offering steady control with minimal fatigue. It drives brad nails ranging from 5/8 inches to 2 inches, suiting everything from trim installation to furniture builds. Switch effortlessly between bump and sequential firing with the selective actuation feature, and protect your workpiece with the no-mark tip. Tool-free depth adjustment and a reload indicator make setup quick and precise, while the 360-degree rotating exhaust port directs debris away from your workspace. Tough, dependable, and wallet-friendly, ideal for heavy-duty use. Number 3 is the BOSTITCH BT-FP12233 brad nailer, a pneumatic 18-gauge tool that strikes a great balance between price and performance. Its smart point technology features a slim nose design for precise nail placement without needing to compress the contact trip, making it well-suited for trim and finish work. Oil-free operation keeps your projects free of stains, and the tool-free jam release lets you clear blockages fast. A selectable trigger system gives you the choice between sequential and contact firing to match your task. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend DIYer, this dependable, user-friendly nailer delivers accurate results without a hefty price tag. Number 4 is the Makita AF506 brad nailer, which combines precision with rugged durability. It accommodates nails from 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches in length, making it well-suited for trim, crown molding, and other detailed finish work. Weighing only 2.9 pounds, it's comfortable to use for extended periods without wearing you down. The durable aluminum housing pairs with a slim nose design for easy access to tight spots, while the built-in air duster helps keep your work area free of debris. A tool-less depth adjustment dial allows for fast, accurate tuning across different applications, and the reversible belt hook adds handling flexibility. With a 100 nail magazine capacity, this nailer delivers solid value for pros and DIYers alike. Number 5 is the Porter Cable PCC790LA cordless brad nailer, a solid pick for pros and DIYers who want dependable cord-free performance for trim and finish work. Running on a 20 volts battery, it skips the need for compressors or gas cartridges, making it easy to grab and go for any job. Consistent firing power lets it handle a range of materials and conditions with ease, while the lightweight ergonomic build keeps you comfortable through long work sessions. Tool-free adjustable settings add versatility, and dual LED lights both illuminate your workspace and flag errors. It's a reliable, cordless option that keeps you moving without the hassle of hoses or cords. Number 6 is the WEN 61721 pneumatic brad nailer, a wallet-friendly pick for anyone tackling light-duty projects without wanting to overspend. It's simple, reliable, and gets the job done. This 18-gauge nailer shoots brads from 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches, giving you enough range for trim, molding, and craft projects alike. A depth adjustment wheel lets you dial in exactly how far each nail sinks for consistent results, while the quick-release magazine holds up to 106 nails, so you can work longer between reloads. The rotatable exhaust keeps air and debris pointed away from you and your workpiece, and the easy nose latch clears jams fast to minimize downtime. For the price, the WIN 61721 is a smart choice for DIYers and smaller carpentry jobs. That wraps up our list of the best brad nailers. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect tool for your woodworking or trim project. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Have a favorite brad nailer? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to check the links in the description box below for more details and the latest prices.